Hello, my friendly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina. I hope your day is going well so far because we are back shopping at Costco. We had a sale that ended on the 19th. Our next one starts next Monday, the 27th. So we are in between the sales. So we're going to go around the store, checking out every aisle, see what is on sale. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and join us. And don't miss out on what's going on at Costco. Now, I know not every savings will be at every Costco, but hopefully you're able to find most of these, starting with the Ello. Now, this is that glass meal prep, and the silicone base, it is removable, and the tops, the lids, they are plastic, but these are just great to have on hand. We use ours like almost every day. $5 savings, $20. Now that's going to go on until Sunday the 26th. Now I know I have shared these before, but I wanted to share them again just to let you know. From Traumatina, the set of 3 skillets, 2 different options, $45 after $12 savings to August 3rd. And then from the brand Hodo, this is our cordless spin scrubber. This has been a very popular item at Costco. And of course, it's always better to get these on sale. And I did pick one up a couple of years ago. It's been here for a while, as I mentioned, and it works great. The charge lasts a good amount of time. It's a $20 savings, $30 is going to go until the 26th. That's probably one of the lowest prices I have seen that item. And speaking of low prices, the Kirkland golf ball, now it went up to like $33. They dropped it to $30, and it's on sale. It rarely goes on sale. So $6 savings, $24. That's going to go on to the 26th, and you're getting 24 of them. And then from Puma, the Performance Backpack. Now, these are on sale, and I believe there was about 3 to 4 different options, so definitely look through these, but these are great backpacks. They're really strong, and even if you're not in school, these are great for traveling. You have all of these pockets. And then even in the back, let me open this one up. It is really nice and thick, and that is perfect for carrying around your laptop. The shoulder pads, those are really nice and thick and padded. So a very comfortable backpack. Lots of storage space as well, and $5 savings, $25. That is it. That's going to go out to August 9th. And don't forget your sunscreen from vacation. This is the classic sunscreen lotion. You're getting 2 tubes, SPF 50, and this is still on sale. And right now, $5 savings, $15 until the 19th of August. And here's one that rarely goes on sale. From Kirkland, this is the cat food chunks and gravy. You're getting 24 of the chicken, 24 of the salmon, so 48 in total. They're 3-ounce cans on sale for $22.80, $6 savings. It's going to go on to August 3rd. Now, this is a fairly new item. This is the bone broth flavor. These are our dog treats. Very simple ingredients, and they're the perfect size. So for any size dog, so even little to the big dogs, $11 after $4 savings. That's going to go on until August 2nd. And then speaking of dogs, the toys, these llamas are so adorable. And we have 3 options. They are such a good size. These are on sale right now. So if you want to pick up a couple extra toys for your dogs, because they're only $10 each, that's going to go on to August 2nd. And then from Venus, this is our ultimate smooth, sensitive, the shave. You're getting the handle plus 11 cartridges, $6 savings, $29 until the 26th. And then from the brand Poopery. Now this is the latest scent, and I shared this a couple of weeks ago with new arrivals, and it is on sale. So we have a honey lotus, we have a jasmine, and then a blood orange. So you're getting 3 bottles. They're 4 ounces each. It's a great price of only $15. That's going to go on to August 9th. Now, if that's just not the fragrance for you, you're wanting something you can just plug right in from Airwick. So you're getting 1 warmer, and then in each one has 2 different scents as well. So $4 savings, $14. That's going to go on to August 23rd. And then from Downy, these are our scented beads. Now, this is the smaller container because the Unstoppables is a much larger container. This one, I'm trying to see, I think it's about 29 to 30 ounces. but it's on sale for only $11. Oh, I'm not even close. 24.5 ounces. Now, from Glad, now this is another great savings, the takeaways. So there's 70 pieces, of course, 35 cents. These just come in so handy. So I always like to have these on hand, and they're on sale right now because it did go up a little bit in price, but $3 savings, $8 until August 2nd. So I may pick up another one. And then right next to it, from the brand Skippy, we have our creamy peanut butter on sale. So you're getting 2 containers. I mean, these are massive. And this one is on sale for $7.70 for 2 of them. That's going to go until August 2nd. And then from Ion, now this is a speaker plus a light. So it's a Bluetooth speaker. You could connect it with your phone or your tablet and then play your favorite music or a podcast. Now I love the faux leather handle on top, and it changes colors and is on sale. $40 savings, $60 till the 16th of August. That's a really good deal. And if you are looking at the LG ultra wide monitor, now this one is 34 inches wide. It is a good size. $60 savings, $240 until August 2nd. Now from HP, we just shared this last Friday with our new arrivals. This is a 27-inch all-in-one PC. It includes the mouse, the keyboard, $400 discount, so $1,000 until August 16th. And then from Nearly Natural, now these are fairly new, are faux flowers. I think they're so pretty, and they look like they're sitting in real water, but it's resin. And these, just dust them once a week and they're gonna stay looking good for such a long time. Now there's 2 options. We have our multiple pinks, we have the all white with the green leaves, and these are on sale right now. I'm very tempted, but I love the savings because you don't have to worry about watering them. $10 savings, $30. Now that's going to go on until July 27th. And the sewing machine is back on sale. Now this is a good item to have on hand. I still cannot locate my sewing machine cord. I'm still, holding out hope that I'll find it. $40 savings, $140. That's going to go on until August 2nd. And then from Philips Sonicare, this is just a single electric toothbrush. Because I know they sell them in doubles, but if you only need a single, definitely check this out. You have 2 options, black or purple. $15 savings, $55 until the 26th. Now, if you do need 2, these are on sale as well. You're also getting an extra toothbrush head, and you're getting the travel cases. $30 savings, $70. That's going to go out to August 2nd. And then from Bissell, the little green machine. So wet vacuum and dry. So you can vacuum the area and then clean it. $30 savings, $70 until the 26th. And then from Calpac, this was supposed to end on the 19th. They have extended it to August 14th. So that's a really good price for $150. And then from American Tourister, it's a 10-piece set. So I love that you're getting the packing cubes, maybe for your shoes or laundry. So you're also getting 2 hard side suitcases as well. $40 savings, $130 until the 26th. And then from Bagolini, the Travels Essentials set. So you're getting the lightweight tote, also 3 of the packing cubes included. So this is a good one, and it's on sale for $40 till August 2nd. And then from Cuisinart, the single cup hot and cold brew coffee maker. Now it is on sale, such a good price, especially compared to a Keurig, $48 till the 26th. And it also includes the little reusable filter cups. So you don't have to use the plastic K-cups. You can fill it up with your favorite coffee. And then from Gourmet, this has been a very hot seller. And this one is our automatic soft serve ice cream and frozen drink maker. $50 savings, $150 till the 26th. And even the KitchenAid. The new one is coming out. We did see it. We shared that last week. $140 savings, $280 till the 26th. Definitely take advantage of that deal. And if you're looking for some new sheets from the brand Hotel, we have our king size. So it's a 6-piece set because you're getting 4 of the pillowcases. Always great to have extra pillowcases. So the king size on sale for $50, the queen size for $40 till August 2nd. And if you're needing a new pillow, this is the Serenity by Tempur-Pedic, the cooling memory foam pillow. And you can feel how cool it is. And it's nice and firm. This would be perfect for a side sleeper. $10 savings, only $20 till the 26th. Now, I was really surprised to see these on sale. And they have restocked them because the last time I saw these, there was only a few left. So we have the cute ghost, the haunted house, the fox, and the pumpkins. So definitely look out for these because they are on sale, believe it or not. I know you might not be ready to decorate for the fall, but $5 savings, $13 to August 2nd. Yeah, that's a great savings. And then from First Alert, the 2-in-1 smoke and carbon monoxide alarms, they have extended this until the 26th, so they extended it for another week. They've also included the First Alert, the fire extinguisher. Now this is a 5-pound extinguisher, $30 after a $10 savings. They do go on sale often. And then from Shark, the chill pill, this is on sale. So they've lowered the price to $100. It started off at $130. Then they lowered it to $120 savings, $80 until August 9th. Now, these bins are on sale, and I'm trying to remember if they have gone on sale before. Now, the nice thing about them, they're sold separately. So if you just need one, or if you need 2 or 3, you can stack them up. So $3 savings, $9 until the 26th. Now, here is one that rarely ever goes on sale. From Costco, the 3-step. This is the nice stepping ladder. I always feel so safe with it because you have that handle on top. Perfect for inside your home. And $5 savings, $30 until August 2nd. And then with the heat, oh, I know, it's been so warm. And we have overcast as well, so it's been still humid. But when the sun is out, definitely help keep your car just slightly cooler with these sunshades. $4 savings, $13 to August 2nd. And for the first time, the beef and broccoli is on sale. It is a little bit on the pricier side. So you can see it's about $7 a pound. So close to $28. So if you've been wanting to try it, right now, it's an $8 off of the final price. That's going to go on to August 2nd. Or even the grain and celery salad. This one is also on sale. Now, there is a lot here. And both of them, they have a lot of food inside. So the average price about $13 to $14 is $5 a pound. And so this one is $2.50 off the final price. That's only going on until the 26th. And then from Tide, we have our laundry detergent, 78 loads, also includes the Oxy cleaner, $16 to August 23rd. And then from Tide, the Evo, these are those detergent tiles, 66 of them. Now, normally it's about 44 for $20 at other stores, so you're getting 66 for $20 right now until August 10th. And then from Clorox, if you are needing the bleach foamer for your bathroom, you're getting 3 spray bottles for $8.50 till August 2nd. And then from Kirkland, if you are needing the barbecue pellets, this is a really good price. I mean, look at the size of these bags. So $10 for 40 pounds. That's going to go until the 26th. That's a really good deal. And then from Dixie, you're getting 175 bowls. Now, these are 12 ounces. So they are a little bit on the smaller side, but I'm actually going to pick these up today because I do need these. And so right now I'm going to take advantage of the savings, $8 until the 26th. Now there's another size available. This one is 20 ounces. So these are a little bit larger, but they're still at regular price of $12.80. And then from Kirkland, this is a sports drink. This hasn't been here for very long, but it has a mixed berry, cherry, and then the punch. It's the amount of sugar in each each container because they're only 12-ounce bottles. So $8 till the second. But let me know if you tried it. Does it taste overly sweet? And then from Olipop, these are the mini cans. So strawberry vanilla, orange cream, and then the crisp apple, $14.20. And that savings is going to go on until August 16th. And then from Natural Bliss, here's another one that rarely goes on sale. So our real milk and cream creamer. This is the sweet cream. 56 ounces, such a great price of $4.50 till the 26th. And then our bite-sized pancakes. Now you're getting 90 of them. So easy to heat up, and they are just adorable as well, and really just makes breakfast fun. And they are nut free as well, and they're on sale for $7.50 until August 2nd. And if you are a fan of the lesser evil popcorn, you're getting 28 bags in the box. It's made with coconut oil. You have 2 different ones. And these are just great portion size, great for on the go. And right now they are on sale for 28 of them for only $10, a $4 savings. That's going to go on to August 2nd. And then from Miss Vicky's, you're getting 30 bags in this box. You have 4 different options as well, and these are on sale for $13.50 till the 26th. And if Rayo's homemade, the marinara sauce is one of your favorites, definitely take advantage of the savings. Look at the size of these jars, 31.7 ounces. And I really do like this one. It's a classic, and there's just so much that you could do with these sauces, so many different meals. Now, right next to it, the Goodles on sale as well. So we have the Chetty Mac, the Shella Good. So you're getting 8 boxes. Now, this one can get expensive, so good to get it at Costco, and even better to get it on sale. I love that it has 7 grams of fiber per serving. So $9.70 for the marinara sauce for 2 jars. And then the Goodles, $13 for 8 boxes. That's a good pricing for both of them. And here's another one that rarely goes on sale. And this is the avocado oil. This is a 2-liter bottle. And this is one that I use pretty much for everything. And if it's asking for vegetable oil, this is what I use. $20, that's going to go on to August 9th. That's a $6 savings. And from Super Nature, this is the body wash. And this is a 30-ounce container. You have the pump as well. And it's on sale for a really good price. I love their shampoo. I haven't tried the body wash yet, though. $10 after $5 savings. It's going to go on to August 16th. And then from Premier Protein, it is on sale right now. So we have 4 different options. We have the cafe latte, vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate. This is a box of 18. $8 savings, $24. That's going to go on till the 26th. So these are always really popular when they are on sale. Well, everyone, we are going to head on out. Thank you so much again for coming along to Costco with me today, checking out what's on sale. Thank you so much for your time and for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you later.